topic, and let me tell you, all those who have not gained 100 rupees, don't think about 100, because in future also you will be getting the chance to grab more money. Okay, so in future also prepare yourself for the future as well. More money, there will be a rainfall of money in my classes, don't worry regarding that. So coming back to the next topic, the next topic we have again an important topic, and this is the base topic of the different topic, the topic that is percentages. And you know very well what will be my very first question. What is percentage? So what is percentage? Very good. Percent. Percent. Per means every, and cent it is not deodorant or spray. Cent it is centum, century, 100. For every 100. Out of 100 how much? Vandalo enta. We call it as percentage. Am I right? Like for example, I wrote one exam. Out of 800, I got 792 marks. So in 800, I am getting 792 marks. Same exam, if I write in 100, how much I will get? That is called as percentage. Out of 100, how much? Are you getting me? Is it clear? Out of 100, how much? Now out of 800, I got 792 marks. If I convert this value in percentage, sometimes I will be getting decimal value, sometimes even approximate value. When I am having the exact value, why shall I convert into decimal or approximate value? I mean to say, my question is, what is the use of percentage? Percentage use enti? మన దగ్గర ఎగ్జాక్ట్ వాల్యూ ఉంది 800లో 792 మార్క్స్ వచ్చింది క్లియర్ కదా మళ్ళీ దానికి పర్సంటేజ్లో ఎందుకు కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ పర్సంటేజ్ నో యూస్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 100 ఎందుకు చూడాలి వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ పర్సంటేజ్ యూజ్ ఏంటి సార్ మీరు 100 ఇవ్వలేదు అందుకే నేను ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాను వాట్ ఇస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ పర్సంటేజ్ దిస్ ఇస్ మోర్ క్లియర్ నా 800లో 792 మార్క్స్ వచ్చింది క్లియర్ కదా 100లో ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి అంటే ఇది క్లియర్ ఉంటుంది కదా ఈవెన్ లిసనర్ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ఓకే టోటల్ మార్క్స్ 100 మార్క్స్ పేపర్ రాశారు దాంట్లో 792 వచ్చింది పర్సంటేజ్లో చెప్తే అది కూడా క్లియర్ కాదు ఇది ఎక్కువ క్లియర్ కదా పర్సంటేజ్లో ఎందుకు కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి సమ్వన్ వాస్ సేయింగ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫ్రమ్ దేర్ దిస్ ఇస్ మోర్ ఈజీ సార్ కంపారిజన్ కోసం వెరీ గుడ్ కంపారిజన్ కోసం సో 800లో నాకు 792 మార్క్స్ వచ్చింది 800లో మీకు 795 మార్క్స్ వచ్చింది మీకు ఎక్కువ వచ్చింది డన్ పర్సంటేజ్ ఎందుకు వెరీ గుడ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ సార్ మీ హైట్ ఎంత లాస్ట్ మీ హైట్ ఎంత 6'2" very good sit down so my dear friend let's say that he said that his height is 6'2" and I know my height is 6'2" and I feel that I am the tallest person all over India. I feel like that, you don't feel for my feelings. So someone coming as 6'2", I cannot control myself. I said, how can you be 6'2"? I am 6'2", I am the tallest person. He said, sir, I don't know who is tall, who is small, but my height is 6'2". I said, no, it can't be possible. I started quarreling with him. You all people said, sir, forget about who is tall, who is small. Let us continue the class. I said, no. Till the time I do not get who is tall among both of us, I am not going to continue the class. Then you all people said, okay, sir, do one thing, forget about measurement. Both of you stand in front. We can see and say who is tall, who is small. The best method. I agreed. I was standing here on the floor. He came and he stood on this bench. Can you say who is tall? Can you say who is tall? No. If both of us stand on the same bench, can you say who is tall? Yes. If both of us stand on the same floor, can you say who is tall? Yes. It means in order to compare both of them, you require an equal platform. platform should be same, then only you can compare. So 800 lo 792 marks vachindi, no need to convert into percentage. But next semester exam when I wrote, in that out of 500 I got 496 marks. Now I am confused, out of 800 792 is more, or out of 500 496 is more. Where I have performed better? Because they are standing on different platform. One is standing on bench, another on floor. How can I compare? So percentage, it gives you a platform of 100 where you can compare any two fraction. If you convert this value in percentage, you can find where I have performed better. No doubt in this I have performed better. Convert in percentage, you will get it. I need to say small children, like 6th, 5th standard student, you ask, 1 by 2 is greater or 1 by 3 is greater? Once you ask and see what they will do. Do you know what they will do? They will take out the LCM of 2 and 3 and they will write this is 6, this is also 6. And they will say 2 3s are 6, so 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, so 2 1s are 2. 6 may be 3, 6 may be 2. Ante idu ekwa, anduke half ekwa. Just observe what they have done. The different platform of 2 and 3, they brought it to the equal platform of 6. This we call it as platform of LCM. LCM also gives you a platform where you can compare any two fraction. Similarly, percentage also gives you a platform of 100 where you can compare any two fraction. Half if you write in percentage, it will be 50%. 1/3 in percentage, 33 1 by 3%. Which is more? 50% is more, so half is more. One more platform is there where we can compare the fraction. We call it as decimal platform. Half if you convert into decimal, 0.5. 1/3 in decimal, 0.3 bar. Which is more? 0.5 is more, so half is more. Same like LCM and decimal, percentage, it gives you a platform of 100 where you can compare any two fraction. This is the main use of percentage. Clear? Now, whatever exam you write, any competitive exam, abroad, any competitive exam, they will never ask you the question, convert this fraction into percentage or convert the percentage into fraction. Because fraction, if you have to convert into percentage, very simple, you will multiply 100. Percentage, if you have to convert into fraction, you will divide by 100. This much simple question they will never ask in any competitive exam. But my dear friend, for my general awareness, I am asking you, what is 12.5% of 2300? What is 12.5% of 2300? Leave it, out of syllabus question, leave it. One more question. If you know the answer, tell me the answer. One more question. What is 50% of, 50% ante 50, what is 50% of 1600? Very good, excellent, super, marvelous, genius, extraordinary. I was expecting that when I ask you 50% of 1600, this will enter in your brain and your processor will convert. In the brain, 50% means 50 by 100, off means multiplication, then 1600, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, 0 cancel, then further 16 5s are 80, and this 0, 800, this much time you should take. How you are saying the answer immediately? How is it possible? How you got answer immediately? 50% means half. In your hard disk it is already stored. Anyone asks me 50%, I should say half of the value. It means that percentage, if we remember in the form of fraction, we can do the calculation more faster. Because we were knowing 50% is half, our answer came out immediately. If we must be knowing 12.5% means 1/8, there also we must have got the answer immediately. Means percentage, if we remember in the form of fraction, we can do the calculation more faster. So my dear friends, a small homework you have to do. Homework, gate lo kuda homework sir, cheyali. And whatever homework I am saying, don't do this homework for my sake. Don't do this homework for your sake. Do this homework for God's sake. Then definitely you will do. Devulu kosam. Okay, em cheyali, take a white paper at home, write like this, 5%. 5% fraction lo enta 5 by 100, ante simplest form lo 1 by 20, decimal lo enta 0.05. Mali 10%, 10 by 100, ante fraction lo 1 by 10, decimal lo 0.1, then 15%, 15 by 100, ante fraction lo 3 by 20, decimal lo 0.15, then 20%, fraction lo 1 by 5, decimal lo 0.2, then 25%, fraction lo 1 by 4, decimal lo 0.25, then 30%, fraction lo 3 by 10, decimal lo 0.3. Just go on writing. Percentage, fraction, decimal, percentage, fraction, decimal. But my dear friend, don't by heart this. Just write, don't by heart. But while writing, be careful, don't use calculator. Cancel by your own and write. Because if you cancel by your own, you will remember the value for the long time. Are you getting me? You will do this homework every 5 gap. You will do this homework? Yes? Very good. My dear friend, every 5 gap, but let me tell you, in between 30% and 35%, add one more, that is 33 1/3%. Because 33 1/3% in fraction it will be 1/3 and in decimal it will be 0.3 bar. Consider somewhere in the calculation you are getting 0.3. 0.3 exact you are getting. 0.3 means how much percent it is? 30% it is. Again if you are getting 0.3 bar, means 0.3333 so on, then it is not 30%, it is 33 1/3%. Difference between 0.3 and 0.3 bar. Are you getting me? Then 35, 40, 45 every 5 gap. Again let me tell you, in between 65% and 70%, add one more, that is 66 2/3%. Because 66 2/3% in fraction it will be 2/3 and in decimal it will be 0.6 bar. 0.6. 0.6 exact means how much percent it should be? 60%. Again 0.6 bar means it is not 60%, it is 66 2/3%. Difference between 0.6 and 0.6 bar. Are you getting me? Then 70, 75, 88, up till where you have to write this? Up till where? 100%. Right up till 100%. Very good. 100% fraction lo enta untadi? 1/1 means 1. Decimal lo enta? 1.0 means 1. Fraction lo kuda 1, decimal lo kuda 1. My dear friend, you have to write only up till 100%. But that doesn't mean that your calculation will come only up till 100%. Your calculation can come more than 100% also. Consider somewhere you require 120%. So 100% is 1, 20% is 0.2. Add both of them, 1.2 of the value. No sir, I want in fraction. Okay, 100% is 1, 20% is 1/5. So 1/5. 1 ante 5/5. Dantlo 1/5 ekku ante 6/5 of the value. Are you getting me? From there you can add and you can say. Is it clear? Everyone? So my dear friend, moving forward, I know you people do the shopping. Vizag lo shopping area. See, girls they know. Tell me. Yeah, very good. Jagdamba. Jagdamba is a street name, mall name, or theatre name? Street name. Area name. So, అంటే హాకర్స్ ఉంటారు రోడ్ సైడ్, హాకర్స్ ఉంటారు. సో బార్గెనింగ్ చేస్తారా మీరు? అదే బార్గెనింగ్ నడుస్తుందా? సో anyhow, my dear friends, similarly like your Jagdamba in your Vizag city in Hyderabad, we have a place called as Sultan Bazaar, famous for bargaining, and I am good at bargaining, no doubt. So normally I will not go with my wife with shopping, for shopping. Actually, sometimes if bargaining is to be done, she will take me, because she know very well that only I am good in this. Okay, so anyhow, she took me to Sultan Bazaar for bargaining, and the shopkeeper said some 500 rupees for some one dress material. And in bargaining what happens, we have to again say decrease the rate, please. Andar takwa namutaru nu enta rate cheptunnavu. So I started my bargaining. He said, okay boss, I'll give you 50% discount. He gave me 50% discount. Still I was bargaining. No, inka ekwa rate adi 250 rupees mari ekwa adi. Again I was discussing with him. Then that shopkeeper said, okay, do one thing, take one more 50% discount. My missus, she pulled the chair and she sat over there. I asked her what happened here. She said 50% plus 50%, 100%, free. I said, no dear, it is not 100% discount, it is only 75% discount. No doubt my missus was thinking correctly, but she was thinking according to SI. Me and shopkeeper were talking according to CI. SI, sub-inspector, CI, circle inspector. What is SI, CI? Simple interest, compound interest. In simple interest, 50% plus 50% will become 100%. But we were not talking according to simple interest. We were talking according to compound interest. Compound interest means successive discount. 50% discount, After that, what value is left? In that 50% discount, not in original value. Are you getting? Boys, you must have heard the shop called as coupons. Recently I saw in Hyderabad, they were giving Diwali Dhamaka offer. What was their Diwali Dhamaka offer? 50% discount plus 20% discount. This is not only Diwali Dhamaka offer, in Dashara also they give the same Dhamaka, in New Year also same Dhamaka, Christmas also same Dhamaka, Eid as well same Dhamaka. Dhamaka name they change, discount they give the same. Customer thinks that I will get 70% discount, but they give only 60% discount. Because 50% plus 20% is only 60% discount. You must have heard the company called as IBM, Pervinara. What is the full form of IBM? India, Bangkok, Malaysia. IBM, full form of IBM, International Business Machine. What is the full form of HDFC? So many banks are there. HDFC Bank. I am not talking about HSBC. That is Hong Kong Shanghai Banking Corporation. I am talking about HDFC. Very good. Housing Development Financial Corporation. Earlier it was Housing Development Financial Company. Now they made it as Housing Development Financial Corporation. What is the full form of ICICI? India, China, again India, again China, again India. Means this corona, these people only brought from China. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India. Why I am saying this to you? My dear friend, whenever you approach any company for the placement for the job, get the basic detail of that company beforehand from company website or else from Google. Because in your interview they will ask you so many questions related to that company. Because one day I went to ICICI Bank to deposit some money, that is Amirpet branch in Hyderabad. I was standing in the queue with cash. I saw left hand side some interview is going on, and BHR always observe other HR what they will ask in the interview. So I was standing in the queue, I was seeing that side. I saw one guy came for interview, directly went to the HR cabin. The door of that cabin he opened very politely. He said, "May I come in, sir?" "Good morning, sir." And that HR was sitting inside. He didn't even call him inside. At the door itself, that HR is asking, "What is the full form of ICICI?" That candidate said, "I see, and he went away. But even at least basic detail he should know. So anyhow, IBM, International Business Machine. What is the date today? 5th December 2021. 6th December 2021. I mean to say tomorrow, early in the morning when you got up. Early morning means when you will get up? 10:30 or 11? 5 is midnight. Don't get up at 5. 5 is midnight, that is. So whatever is your early morning timing, whatever your early morning timing is there, tomorrow early morning when you got up, as you opened your eyes, you saw near your bed 2 IBM HR, they were joining their hands and they were standing. As you got up, both of them, they touched your feet and they said, "Please come and join my company. My company is declining. If you will join my company, definitely my company will develop." You thought outside such a big competition is there, lakhs of people, they are not getting the job, and they will be doing some selection procedure, this round, GD round, JAM round. Here no round. They are touching the feet and they are giving offer letter, and package is also good. They are ready to pay somewhere around 80-90,000 rupees per month. Forget about this gate, door, window, everything. Let us go and join the company. So you went and joined the company, and you wanted to prove that they have selected a perfect employee for the company. Means you are doing hard work to develop the company. Hard work in the sense, morning 9 o'clock, all the employees will go to the office. You used to get up by morning 5 o'clock, keeping the paste on your brush, office. Morning 5 itself. Evening 5 o'clock, all the employees will come out. You used to stay up till night 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, doing your daily work, then coming out. CEO of the company observed this. He thought, when I call the employees by 9, employees will be coming by 9:30, 10. And when I say that you have to go by 5, employees will start going by 4:30 itself. But he and she is a person who is coming early, staying back late, doing the daily work, then going out. CEO felt very happy. So at the end of first month of your job, he called all the employees of IBM, and in front of all the employees, he called you on the dash, on the stage, and said, my dear friends, we all work for money here. But he and she is a person who is working for the development of this organization, as I have observed. So as a present, I am giving a hike in his or her salary by 50%. Directly CEO increase your salary by 50%. Now what will happen? You will get proudness. You will start feeling yourself as owner of IBM, because your team leader, manager is not getting that salary which you are getting. First of all, they came home, they touched your feet, they gave you the offer letter. Within 1 month, 50% hike in the salary. Because of that proudness, second month you were unable to perform nicely. So at the end of second month, CEO sent you the mail saying that, dear, by seeing the performance of this month, we are not at all satisfied with you. So your salary has been decreased by 50%. We have decreased your salary by 50%. What will you think? Equal only. Not equal, my dear friend. Overall, our salary decreased by 25%. Satyam. Let's say that Vizag city population, every year it increased by 10%. Every year the city population increased by 10%. What will be the percentage increase after 3 years as compared from today? ఈ రోజు నుంచి కంపేర్ చేస్తే 3 years తర్వాత ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది? 3 years తర్వాత అంటే 3 times 10% increase. 3 times 10% increase, it won't be 30% increase in the population, but it will be 33.1% increase in the population. How to sort out this type of question? The best method to sort out this type of question is, take the base as 100 and sort it out. Take the base 100, sort it out. Like Sultan Bazar case. Let's say 100 rupees was the product rate. First he gave me 50% discount. అంటే ఎంతలో కొనాలి అది? 50 రూపీస్లో. బట్ ఆ 50 రూపీస్లో మళ్ళీ అయినా నాకు 50% డిస్కౌంట్ ఇచ్చారు. అంటే ఎంతలో కొనాలి? 25 రూపీస్. 100 rupees product I am purchasing in 25 rupees. అంటే అర్థం ఏంటి? ఇన్ ఎవ్రీ 100 rupees I am getting 75 rupees discount. 100లో 75 అంటే 75% discount. 100లో ఎంత? అదే percentage. Taking base as 100 and sorting out, always you will get the correct answer. But my dear friend, sometimes the calculation will become complicated. When so many percentages are given to you, you will reach to a complicated calculation. So in order to overcome this complicated calculation, call vastunda? Ghar aaja pardesi. My dear friends, I take the interview, and in interview, let me tell you, you people come with keeping your mobile in vibration mode. Once, it is my real time experience, I was taking interview, I was asking question, the guy was giving the reply, in the middle there the sound came, gee, gee, I was saying here and there. He was also saying, sorry sir, mobile in vibration. Already I am tensed, you are tensed. Why vibration? I said him clearly, keep on ringing mode. At least some sound will come, we can feel some relaxed. My dear friend, don't keep your mobile in vibration or ringing mode when you are attending interview. Just switch off your mobile, throw your mobile at home. Nothing is going to change in this world. If you will not lift your mobile or if your mobile is switched off, nothing is going to change. In Anandam, Anandam, Mutyal Mugu, what is going on? That person is running with knife, he will be still running. No change in that. 2 weeks he will be running only with knife. No change is there. Modi will be there only. He won't come to Hyderabad. KCR will be in Hyderabad. He won't go to Delhi. Jagan will be here. No changes there. Why you people are this much? I know you people are very busy. Very busy. Because you cannot switch off your mobile. If you switch off your mobile at the center, Modi will fail. Person has switched off the mobile. How to take the bigger decisions all alone? Because Modi must be giving you a call. Then what decision is to be taken? Mitro, Iroju, it is start. Anyhow. So my dear friend, coming back to, sir, dinamanta switch off petna kada sir. Ippude vada call vachindi sir. Ayyo papam. Anyhow, come back. So my dear friend, in order to overcome this complicated calculation, there is one more method. Whenever increase is there, add in 100%. Whenever decrease is there, subtract in 100%. Like for example, if I say petrol rate increased by 60%, So earlier petrol rate was 100%. Now increase by 60% means it will be added. It will become 160% of the previous value. Are you getting me? Increase, you have to add it. Decrease, you have to subtract. Like for example, if I say rice rate decreased by 10%. So earlier rice rate was 100%. Now decreased by 10% means it will be subtracted. So it will become 90% of the previous value. Are you getting me? Increase, you have to add it. Decrease, you have to subtract it. Same thing you can use here. 50% decrease means you have to subtract. So 100 minus 50, remaining will be 50%. 50% in decimal, 0.5. Again 50% discount means again 100 minus 50, 50% remaining. So this is also 0.5. Multiply both of them. 0.5 into 0.5, how much it will become? 0.25 it will become. Is this value more than 1 or less than 1? Less than 1. If your value comes less than 1, then decrease or discount will be there. If your value comes more than 1, then increase will be there. So because this value is less than 1, so decrease or discount will be there. But how much less than 1? 1 can enter only. How much less? 0.75. This much less. This value you have to mention in percentage to decimal right hand side, means 75% decrease. If your value comes more than 1, how much more than 1? That much percent increase. If your value comes less than 1, how much less than 1? That much percent decrease. Is it clear? Consider the case of coupons. 50% decrease. Until 100 minus 50, remaining is 50%. 50% decimal note, 0.5. Am I right? 20% decrease. So 100 minus 20, remaining 80%. 80% decimal note, 0.8. Multiply both of them. 8 5s are 40. Means you will be getting 0.4. If I am not wrong. Am I right? 0.4. More than 1, less than 1? Less than 1. How much less than 1? 0.6 less. 0.6 ante enta percent? 60% decrease, because it was less than 1. Consider the case of IBM. 50% increase. Increase means it will be added. So it will become 150%. 150% in decimal? 1.5. Again 50% decrease. 100 minus 50. Remaining is 50%. 50% decimal no? 0.5. Multiply both of them. 15 5s are 0.75. Less than 1. How much less than 1? 0.25 less. 0.25 until 25% decrease, because it is less than 1. Consider the case of population. Rise of population. 10% increase means it will be added. It will become 110%. 110% decimal no? 1.1. Again 10% increase, again 1.1. Again 10% increase, again 1.1. Multiply all of them. 11 cube, if I am not wrong, it will come 1331. Decimal tarvata 1, 2, 3 digit. 3 digit. Decimal will come here. 1.331. More than 1, less than 1? More than 1 means now increase will be there. How much more than 1? 0.331 more. So 0.331 మీరు percentage లో మెన్షన్ చేయాలంటే 2 decimal right hand side. So 33.1% increase, because it is more than 1. Is it clear? If your value comes less than 1, how much less than 1? That much percent decrease. If your value comes more than 1, how much more than 1? That much percent increase. Clear? Shall I give you the question based on this? Okay, so write down. This theatre is there nearby? Nearby any theatres? Leela Mohan. Leela Mohan or Jagdamba? Leela Mohan. Enta undi ticket rate? 160. కొంచెం ముందు కూర్చుంటే ఇంకా కొంచెం ముందు కూర్చుంటే తక్కువ ఇంకా 80 rupees. ఇంకా ముందు కూర్చుంటే 40 rupees. కర్టెన్ మీద కూర్చుంటే ఫ్రీ. వెరీ గుడ్. Okay, so write down the question. In the renovation of Jagdamba Theatre, in the renovation of Jagdamba Theatre, my dear friend, if you don't know the spelling, you can ask me. I'll help you out, because you are writing like this. In the renovation of Jagdamba Theatre, the price of the ticket was increased by 60%, 60. In the renovation of Jagdamba Theatre, the price of the ticket was increased by 60%, and thus the customers decreased by price increase aithe customer decrease ayipotaru, thus the customer decreased by 10%. Full stop. Find the percentage change in the revenue collected. Find the percentage change in the revenue collected. Means you have to say revenue, how much percent it will increase or how much percent it will decrease. $70, 76% increase or decrease? Increase, very good. First option, 76% increase in the revenue. $44 increase, 44% increase in the revenue. Last option, all of these. So let us understand. My dear friend, I said in the renovation of Jagdamba Theatre, the price of the ticket increased by 60%. Increased by 60% means it will be added, so it will become 160%. 160% in decimal, 1.6. And thus the customer decreased by 10%. Means earlier customer were 100%. Now customer is 10% less. Means customer is how much percent? 90%. 90% in decimal, 0.9. Multiply both of them, 69 is 144. Am I right? After decimal 2 digits, so after 2 digits decimal here, 1.44. More than 1, less than 1? More than 1. So increase will be there. How much more than 1? 0.44 more. So 44% increase in the revenue. Is it clear? Yes? No doubt. For this there is a shortcut. Shortcut is x plus y plus xy by 100. X plus y plus xy by 100. What is the difference between shortcut and formula? How can you say this is formula, this is shortcut? Time. Both are used for saving our time. Formula we are using to save time. Shortcut also to save time. What is the difference? More or less time. Okay. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So much time. Formula it is. A square plus B square plus 2AB is equal to A plus B whole square. Immediately we are getting shortcut. What's the difference? shortcut and formula. My dear friends, shortcut always comes with a star mark. Star mark means condition applied. Gate coaching in 1 rupee. Beside 1 rupee there is a small star mark. Condition applied. If you read the condition given is, if you purchase material of gate in 60,000, then coaching will be given in 1 rupee. Condition. My dear friend, formula you can use in whole topic, but shortcut will be always having some limitation, some condition. If question is like this, then only, not everywhere. Like for example, what is 25 square? Genius student, 625. What is 85 square? What is 65 square? Very good, very good. What is 73 into 77? What is 22 into 28? What is 91 into 99? Only this much I have by hearted yesterday night. I don't know more. My dear friend, I am using some shortcut. We'll say, okay sir, you tell us what is 54 into 56. I tell you this is 3024. Then you will ask me, okay sir, tell us what is 41 into 42. I'll be question mark. I cannot use shortcut everywhere. Do you know in this case how I'll get the answer? 2 ones are 2, 4 twos are 8, cross, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, addition. This is formula. Every multiplication it is valid. But shortcut will be always having some condition, some limitation. If question is like this, then only, not everywhere. Are you getting me? In all these multiplication, whatever I did, you will find one thing is common. Tens place digit is the same number. Squares, anyhow, it will be same number only. 7, 7, 2, 2, 9, 9, 5, 5. Here also tens place is same number only. But one more thing common you can find. Unit place digit, ones place digit, the sum is 10. Addition of unit place digit, it is coming 10. Here everywhere 5 plus 5, 10. Here you see 3 plus 7, 10, 2 plus 8, 10, 1 plus 9, 10, 6 plus 4, 10. Here unit place addition is not 10. So for this shortcut there is a limitation. If unit place digit sum is 10 and tens place digit is the same number, then you can use the shortcut. Like for example, you have to find what is 73 into 77. Tens place digit same number, unit place digit addition is 10, shortcut is valid. What is that shortcut? Directly multiply. 7 3s are 21. Write 21 completely. Now 7 next number. 8. 8 7s are 56. This is your answer. Like for example, you have to find 105 square. So 105 into 105. We can say this is completely tens place digit, same number. Unit place addition is 10, shortcut valid. 5 5s are 25. 10 next number. 11. 11 tens are 110. This is the answer. Is it clear? But somewhere you have to find 21 into 22. Don't say sir, 2 ones are 2, 3 twos are 6. It will become wrong. Shortcut is not valid everywhere. Shortcut will be always having some limitation, condition. I mean to say in any topic, if I say you this is shortcut, don't forget to ask me the condition. Because every shortcut will be having some condition, some limitation. Is it clear? Are you getting me? Oh, this also you are writing. Write everything. Don't leave anything. Sir, mottam fees pay chesanu, mottam rasta nenu. Rayandi. So my dear friends, I said just now that this is shortcut. This shortcut means definitely this will be having some condition. First of all, let us understand what is the condition for this shortcut. This shortcut is valid only for 2% change. Only 2% change. 2 increase is there, 2 decrease is there, or 1 increase, other decrease is there, either of the way, but this is valid only for 2 changes. I mean to say you can use this shortcut in Sultan Bazar case, you can use this shortcut in Kutan's case, you can use this shortcut in IBM case, you can even use this shortcut in Jagdamba Theatre case, but you cannot use this shortcut in population case, because population, how many changes were there? 3 changes. This is limited only for 2 changes. How to use it? Increase you write in plus, decrease you write in minus. Check your value. If it is coming in plus, means that much increase. If it is coming in minus, that much decrease. Like for example, if I have to use in Jagdamba Theatre case, Jagdamba Theatre, what I said, ticket rate increased by 60%. So X value will become plus 60. Then I said customer decreased by 10%. So Y value will become minus 10. Increase in plus, decrease in minus. Then they are giving XY, means plus into minus. Plus into minus? Minus 60 into 10 by 100. Plus 60 minus 10 will give you plus 50. And here 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, minus 6. Plus 50 minus 6, how much you get? Plus 44. Plus 44 means 44% increase. If it come in minus, that much percent decrease. Is it clear? But my dear friend, let me tell you, never ever use the shortcut. Shortcuts are strictly banned. Then why shall I give you the shortcut? It is same like never ever any country should use nuclear weapons. Nuclear weapons are strictly banned by the United Nations. Still every country is preparing nuclear weapon. In our country also DRDO, DRDL, every day they are preparing new nuclear weapons. Why they are preparing? Safety. For safety you are preparing bombs, guns. Yes, my dear friend, if you ask the government will say you security purpose. Security purpose means it is not for using. It is just for showing how much powerful we are. When China shows us we have this nuclear weapon, we also show them we have this nuclear weapon, this nuclear weapon, this nuclear weapon. More if you want to see, come on 15th August or 26th January to Delhi. In rally we will show you more. This is just for showing, not for using. These shortcuts, they are just for showing, not for using. Some other coaching student, they say you, I have this shortcut. You also say them, I have this shortcut, this shortcut, this shortcut. What else you have, you tell me. My dear friend, why I am saying not to use the shortcut? Because in shortcut, in how much time you are getting the answer, in concept also same time you are getting the answer. And concept is valid everywhere. Shortcut case, you have to remember the shortcut, you have to remember the condition behind it, and it is not valid everywhere. So let us follow the concept which is valid everywhere. Are you getting me? Is it clear? So concept is clear to you. Increase, add in 100%, decrease, subtract in 100%, multiply all of them, check your value. If it is coming more than 1, how much more than 1, that much percent increase. If it is coming less than 1, how much less than 1, that much percent decrease. No doubt some student they ask me, sir, why you compare with 1? My dear friend, I am comparing with 100%. I am comparing with 100%. But I have written the values in decimal, and in decimal 100% is 1. So I am comparing with 1. Indirectly I am comparing that with 100% only. Is it clear? Some student they ask me, sir, why you use this operator multiplication in the middle? There are so many operator, addition is there, subtraction, division. Why you are using this multiplication? So why I am using multiplication? For that I would like to know from you all, what do you call that beautiful girls in the hospital? Nurse. Acha, nurse, they are beautiful. Doctors, they are not beautiful. My dear friend, this nurse, this word is correct according to English, but wrong according to professional English. There are so many words in English which is wrong according to professional English. Because professional English says that this nurse word we used when we were having slavery. Slavery, in Telugu you call it as Bansalu. In Hindi we call it as Gulam. Those slaves who used to take care, Das Dasya. Those slaves who used to take care of our body, means giving us bath, making us to wear dress, those slaves we used to call them as nurse. These people are not our slaves. We should not call them as nurse. Then what we should call them? Sister, how can we call? If doctor falls in love with that girl, how doctor will propose? I love you, sister. Okay, female is there, you call nurse or sister. Same place if male member is there? Compounder, ward boy, brother, uncle. My dear friend, male, female, both in professional English we call them as medical assistant. They are called as medical assistant. There are so many such words in corporate sector. Once you get the job in this corporate sector, you will find everyone we call by name. Everyone we call by name. Our team leader we call by name. Venkat, come, we'll have tea. Directly by name. Project manager we call by name. Srinivas, next meeting when you are keeping. This time you are providing tea, coffee or something, or directly you keep only meetings. My dear friend, everyone we call by name. But if CEO of the company, owner of the company, male member is there, we use the word sir. If female is there, then ma'am. Never ever use the word madam. If you use the word madam, she'll give you a nice slap. You will be shocked. This much respect I gave. What is this? My dear friend, madam, this word is correct according to English, but wrong according to professional English. Because professional English says that in Britain there are so many villages where head of the prostitute is called as madam. So never ever use this word madam, always ma'am. You can check out in the dictionary. I am not saying this by my own. You can check out in the dictionary. We should be very careful regarding the languages. Are you getting me? Always ma'am, not madam, ma'am. Are you getting me? Is it clear? Chinnapuru letter lo rasna. Respected madam, I want one day leave. No, ma'am. Are you getting me? Is it clear? So now, coming back to, see in Google, why I am using multiplication? In Google there is one question. A bottle was completely filled with Dettol. One bottle was completely filled with Dettol. One medical assistant came, she took out 1/3 of the Dettol from it and added equal quantity of water to fill the bottle. Then second medical assistant came, she took out 1/3 of the mixture from it and added equal quantity of water to fill the bottle. Then third medical assistant came, she took out 1/3 of the mixture from it and added equal quantity of water to fill the bottle. What is the change in the Dettol bottle? So my dear friend, I have seen there are so many answers in the blogs, they write so many answers. I saw one answer they have written, Dettol changes into milk. My dear friend, color change they are not asking you. They are asking you change in the sense in that bottle, how much Dettol percentage will be there, how much water percentage will be there. Are you getting me? So let us understand, initially bottle was filled with Dettol. 1/3 Dettol you are taking out. So how much Dettol will be still remaining in the bottle? 2/3. Am I right? But again 1/3 you are taking out. So what will be remaining? 2/3 of 2/3 will be remaining. Am I right? Again 1/3 you are taking out means what will be remaining? 2/3 of 2/3 of 2/3 will be remaining. This of itself means multiplication, means 2/3 into 2/3 into 2/3, which is equal to, if I am not wrong, 8/27. This is the fraction of Dettol in the bottle. Out of 27 part, 8 part will be the Dettol and remaining will be the water. So out of 27 part, remaining part, 27 minus 8, 19 part will be the water. This is water fraction, this is Dettol fraction. Dettol you want in percentage, this fraction into 100. Water you want in percentage, this fraction into 100. You want Dettol is to water ratio, it will be 8:19. This of itself means multiplication. I am using multiplication because what value is left in that one more chain. Again what is left in that one more chain. So of that is the reason multiplication. Is it clear? Yes. So first pattern is clear. Increase you have to add in 100%, decrease subtract in 100%, multiply all of them. check your value. If it is coming more than 1, how much more than 1, that much percent increase. If it is coming less than 1, how much less than 1, that much percent decrease. Now moving to the next pattern. Before going for the next pattern, I would like to know from you all, recently you have written any exam? No? Engineering also completed without exam? Tell me how to do engineering without writing exam. I will study once again. Sir, what is the last exam you have written? Last exam రాసారు రాలేదు సార్. ఇప్పుడు వరకు చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పుడు వరకు సార్ ఒక్క ఎగ్జామ్ కూడా లేదు. అంటే ఎన్ని ఎగ్జామ్ పాస్ అయ్యారు అది నేను అడగలేదు. ఎన్ని ఎగ్జామ్ రాశారు? అంటే లాస్ట్ ఏదో ఎగ్జామ్ రాసి ఉంటారు కదా, ఈ సంవత్సరమా లాస్ట్ సంవత్సరమా దాని ముందు చిన్నప్పుడు పుట్టినప్పుడు ఏదో ఎగ్జామ్ రాసి ఉంటారు కదా. సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామ్. వెరీ గుడ్. సో సెమిస్టర్ ఎగ్జామ్. వాట్ ఇస్ యువర్ నేమ్ సార్? Shiva. So let us understand Shiva and me. I think you know my name. अच्छा सिला दिया तूने मेरे प्यार का. By the time you want to know my name, my profile, my experience, whatever it may be, you type in Google top aptitude trainer in our country, best aptitude trainer in India, or aptitude trainer in India, whatever you will type. Let me tell you, Google first 3-4 website, they will be giving you my profile. And let me tell you, I reached to this place not only with my effort, I reached to this place with my students' effort. Because what I am delivering in the class, no doubt it is important, but overall important is how you perform in the exam. Your result is important. My dear friend, your result give the fame to we all people. Behind your success, there is our success as well. And those days are not very far. Even in Google, if you write aptitude, my name will come first. I can become synonym of aptitude. But it is there in your hand. You get this single digit, double digit rank, definitely that is also possible. Are you getting me? We together can make this. But together, your support is also required. Is it clear? So anyhow. In Hindi there is a proverb, हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या, पढ़े लिखे को फारसी क्या. You can see. She want to check it out. Itla possible, sir. నేను చూస్తా సార్. Okay, type, check it out. No, type you. Now you type. Now I won't agree. సార్ మీ మీద నాకు నమ్మకం లేదు సార్. ఏదో జోక్ చెప్పి మీరు గూగుల్లో టాప్ అయ్యారో ఇట్లా సార్. వచ్చిందా రాలే? So my name you can get there. See, complete name I do not say because here in South Amulya is actually girl's name. So my name maximum here in the South they will call it as Ratan. Okay, Ratan. I am writing the spelling because recently I faced one problem. I went to Bhopal for taking classes. I was not knowing that coaching people where they arrange the accommodation. So directly I went to their office, and one student standing over there in counseling section, he was asking me, nowadays button sir is not visible. I asked what? He told me, button sir you came. From that time I started writing spelling. It is Ratan, not button. Ratan. Okay, so let us understand Shiva and Ratan. Shiva and Ratan, we both together write one exam. Writing together means on same paper we are writing, not like that. We wrote a common exam, okay, and after some days the result came out. When the result came out, what I understood, he got 25% more marks than me. He got 25% more marks than me. Then I got how much percent less marks than him? He got 25% more marks than me, then I got how much percent less marks than him? 25%. Very good. I love my teacher. Teacher loves her daughter, so I love her daughter. A equal to B, B equal to C, A equal to C. But again, it won't be 25%. It won't be 25%. Shiva, can I change your name for time being with your permission? Okay. Your name will be A and I am B. Okay. You are A, I am B. You are Amitabh, but I am not Bipasa. Okay. So try to understand. So question what I gave is A is 25% more than B. This is what I gave. A is 25% more than B. Then what I asked, then B is how much percent less than A? This is my question. Now let us understand this. A is means what? A is equal to 25% more means how much it will become? 125% or 1.25 of B? 125% of B, or you can even say 1.25 of B. If you are writing decimal, don't keep percentage there. If you are not writing decimal, you can say 125% of B. So A is equal to 125% of B. This data already they gave you in the question. But in the question what they are asking you? B is. Means A is equal to they provided, they are asking you B is equal to. If this number you bring left hand side, it will change into B is equal to. So 125% means 125 by 100. If you bring this side, it will convert into 100 by 125 of A is B. Converted into B is equal to. Let us cancel this. 25 4s, 25 5s. 4 by 5 of A is B. 4 by 5 write in decimal, how much it will come? 0.8 of A is B. 0.8, more than 1, less than 1? Less than 1. How much less than 1? 0.2 less. 0.2 means how much percent less? 20% less. If A is 25% more than B, then B is just 20% less than A. Are you getting me? 100 రూపాయలకి మీరు 20% పెంచండి, ఎంత అవుతుంది? 120 అవుతుంది. Now you cannot say sir 120 కి మళ్ళీ 20% తగ్గిస్తే 100 రిటర్న్ వస్తుంది. రాదు. 120 ది 20% ఏమో 24. సో మీకు రిటర్న్ లో 96 వస్తుంది, మళ్ళీ 100 రాదు. Are you getting me? From one side 1%, from other side it will be some other percentage, not same percentage. Is it clear to all? Yes? So my dear friends, coming back, let me tell you, if you are writing the exam like ICET, I think you know ICET, Integrated Common Entrance Test, in order to get admission in top MBA MCA colleges of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So this is a state level exam. But if you are writing the exam like GMAT, you know GMAT? If you are writing the exam like MAT, if you are writing the exam like ZAT, they will ask you the question, yes, Xavier aptitude test, Exolarity conduct this exam for admission in MBA colleges of Xavier. So now if you are writing this exam, even ICET, they will ask you the question directly like this. But let me tell you, when you write the exam like GRE, when you write the exam like GATE, when you write the exam like CAT, same question they frame in a different way. Same question they will frame in a different way. So how they will frame this question and how we can sort it out, how we can say that it is the same question, that we'll discuss in the next week. So hope you have enjoyed the today's session, morning to evening, and no doubt my dear friend, it was your effort as well by which I was able to reach up till this level. I need to say up till percentages. So next week again on Sunday we are going to continue from percentage, and with the percentage we'll see those topics which are based on percentage. Means without formula, how can we do with the percentages concept? That also we'll see in the next Sunday. So you have enjoyed the session? Yes, clear to all? Yes. So anyhow, my dear friend, be home, be safe, take care, bye-bye, and keep practicing. Thank you all.